Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm founder of GoYou. Our mission is to make the world founders accessible to everyone from everywhere. This building is really beautiful, isn't it? But do you know the history of this building? And do you know what famous people lived in your house that you're living now? Every time when I walk from the Golden Gates to here, I see a lot of beautiful buildings, but I have no clue what's the history behind this building. And every time when I try to Google it and find any information, it is really hard, takes a lot of time, and information isn't interesting. So we decided to fix this problem. We decided to create audio-guided tours of unique landmarks of Ukraine, led by local experts in fun and easy-to-understand way, with bite-sized summary and quizzes to memorize a key takeaway. So how it's work? You choose a place where you want to go. You put in your headphones, listen to audio tours, and test your knowledge with quizzes. It's so simple and it's so quick, and you may learn as you go. The global market size of virtual tours are enormous, and it grows rapidly. But we decided to start with the Ukrainian market because we know it better, and there are no direct competitors here. But what about global competitors? There are some of them, but to be honest, you have to spend much time to look for information about Ukraine or to go somewhere that is hidden gems. Business model is pay as you go. One tour costs $4.99, and we got 20% of commission to creators. Now our strategy consists of some steps. First step is to launch some virtual tours, some audio tours. Next step is to work on social marketing and influencer marketing. And the future steps is to create mobile app and open new locations. My team consists of 4 people, me as a founder and a business expert, Irina as a historian and curator of public organization, SMM manager, and copywriter. Now we are looking for experts in urbanism, history, and art to be our creators, marketing and PR experts, and tech co-founder to develop mobile app. So thank you so much, and let's go around the world together.